Don't let age slow you down. Let's build strong, steady legs that carry you through life with confidence. This is day 27 of our 60-day Senior Fitness Challenge, and today we're focusing on 3 simple leg exercises that keep your legs strong, steady, and pain-free. If you're new here, welcome to our family. Grab your chair, sit comfortably, and let's start together. Exercise 1, seated leg lifts, 50 repetitions. All right, my wonderful seniors, let us begin our first exercise for today, seated leg lifts. This simple but powerful movement will help strengthen your thighs, knees, and hips. Sit comfortably on your sturdy chair with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Hold the sides of your chair for support. Take a deep breath in and lift your right leg slowly until it is straight. Hold it for a moment, then lower it down gently. Now lift your left leg the same way. Keep alternating as we count together. Ready? Let us begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent start. Keep your breathing steady. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great progress. You are doing wonderfully. Keep your chest lifted and your shoulders relaxed. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there, how are you feeling? If you feel your legs warming up, that means your muscles are waking up and getting stronger. Let us keep going. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You are doing amazing. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Keep smiling. You are training your strength. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Just 10 more. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonderful job. You have just completed 50 seated leg lifts. Give your legs a gentle shake, take a deep breath, and smile. Every repetition you do adds power to your legs and confidence to your movement. You are becoming stronger every single day. Exercise 2, sit to stand, chair squats, 50 repetitions. Now let us move to one of the most powerful leg strengthening movements, the sit to stand exercise. This exercise builds strength in your thighs, knees, and hips and helps improve your balance and coordination. Please make sure your chair is on a flat surface and will not slide. Sit down with your feet shoulder width apart and keep your back straight. Cross your arms over your chest to avoid pushing off with your hands. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, stand up slowly. Then lower yourself gently back into the chair. Are you ready? Let us begin together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent start. Keep your chest lifted and your movements smooth. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You are doing wonderfully well. Do not rush. Focus on your balance. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway done. How are you feeling? Tell me in the comments, and also share which country you are watching from. Our senior family is growing worldwide. Keep going strong. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Feel your legs working. That is your strength growing. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. You are almost there. Just 10 more to go. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonderful job. You have completed 50 sit-to-stand repetitions. You are building real strength and improving your stability. Take a deep breath, stretch your legs, and smile. You are stronger today than you were yesterday. Exercise 3, heel raises, calf strengthener, 50 repetitions. Now we will finish strong with our final movement for today, the heel raises exercise. This simple but powerful movement helps strengthen your calves, improve your ankle stability, and enhance your balance when walking. Please stand behind your chair and hold the backrest lightly for support. Keep your feet shoulder width apart, your back straight, and your eyes looking forward. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, lift your heels slowly off the floor and rise up onto your toes. Hold that position for a second, then gently lower your heels back down. Keep your movements slow and controlled. Are you ready? Let us do this together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful start. Feel your calves working gently. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep breathing in and out slowly. Steady rhythm, no rush. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there, you are doing fantastic. Focus on your balance. If you need to pause, that is okay. Come right back in when ready. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You are building endurance and strength with every lift. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Excellent work. Just 10 more to go. Feel the control in your movements. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Amazing job. You have completed 50 heel raises. This strengthens the muscles that keep you steady on your feet and confident in your steps. Take a deep breath, shake out your legs gently, and feel proud of your dedication. Each repetition today adds to your strength, balance, and independence. Day 27. Done and dusted. You've made me proud today. Tell me in the comments how you're feeling right now. If you completed all 3 exercises, write done so I can cheer you on personally. I don't earn from monetization. I turned off ads so your exercise time stays peaceful. If you'd like to support my free home training, the payment link is in the first comment below. Now do me one favor, share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends so they can stay healthy too. Take care, stay strong, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 28.